Water-filled fire extinguishers are solid signal red in colour and are only suitable for Class A fires. These are fires involving organic solid materials such as wood, cloth, paper, plastics and coal. Do not use on burning fat or oil or on electrical appliances. To use a water extinguisher, pull the safety tag to break the seal. Pull out the safety pin, hold the handle and the discharge hose. Test the extinguisher to check if it works. Then, direct it at the base of the flames and keep it moving across the area of the fire until all the flames are out.